Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club, and I wanted to share with you a quick video of 4 insights I've learned after closing on over 50 investment transactions for my own account over the last 14 years. These are some lessons I had to learn the hard way, things that have cost me tens of thousands or $100,000 plus on messing these things up, on pulling the trigger on an investment for myself. So I just wanted to share them here. The first is to only add risk to your account or portfolio in areas where you have strategic benefit. So a lot of people have heard the casual saying, you have to risk it to get the biscuit. Well, you should only risk it to get the strategic biscuit, because extra risk can only be managed by extra intelligence, extra potential to gain control of the situation, to add value, to add synergy, to add distribution to a consumer product, to step in and be the CEO or chairman of the company, or oversee the real estate property as needed and know what to do to fix the situation. If you don't have that strategic insight, then you probably shouldn't be taking an investment with extra risk in it, at least not as a significant portion of your portfolio. I think everybody nowadays does think, well, maybe with 1 to 3% or 1 to 4% of my assets, I'm gonna put it in high risk investments. That's a pure venture startup or is a risky crypto coin or something that could have asymmetric returns but is highly risky. But for most families I work with and most investors I know, that's a very small part of their portfolio. So what I'm talking about here is anything that's going to be something that you would lose a little bit of sleep over if you lost 100% of that investment. Make sure it's strategic. Second is to run the other direction from anything that seems like a yellow alert, a fear, something in your gut that says this is not right. This person is not genuine. This person's not being authentic. For some reason, I don't trust this person, or they seem highly stressed out and high pressure, or they just seem off in some way and you're not sure what it is millions of different things in your brain subconsciously warning you to stay away from something that's going to eat you while you sleep. And you should just run the other direction if you're just not feeling comfortable with a counterparty. Many times we have a gut feeling that a deal is great and we want to invest in something, and that's good. We should listen to that subconscious to do more research and due diligence and lean into the deal to learn more, but it doesn't mean you should rush into the deal and allocate. But the opposite is often true. If you want to run the other direction, I would usually listen to your gut on that and just move on to the other direction. There's thousands of deals to consider, look at, structure, and execute on. There's no need to go into something which from the very start you knew might be a big problem. Number 3 is to focus on structuring a deal properly. Align the parties, have people rewarded when things go very well, not just when they take your money for the investment as an investment advisor. And structure is very underrated and under-discussed with investors. They don't think about it often enough. And the exact same deal could be excellent or horrible based on the structure, not just on alignment, but on fees, on timing, on liquidity, on legal risk, on optionality, on turning it into an income investment or a tax-efficient investment or not. So make sure you get the structure really dialed in on every investment you do, and always be learning to structure things more intelligently. The last area here is to only invest in things that you're high conviction and very excited about. There are thousands of investment opportunities out there. If you're only seeing a few per year, then you need to take the money you would have put into an investment, whether you're trying to allocate $500,000 over the next few years, or even just 100,000, or if it's 50 million. If you're not able to find investments that are truly exciting, high conviction, excellent, strategic, then you need to take an allocation of that money and invest it into getting much better deal flow. It doesn't have to be getting involved with Family Office Club or registering at investorclub.com. It could be local community groups, local investment groups, talking to the sharpest investment people you know and asking them for deal flow. And you might have to invest $10,000, $50,000 a year into getting excellent deal flow, but a single deal's returns or steady income stream or tax benefits structured into it might more than pay for all of that. You'll learn faster if you have access to more high quality deals, and you'll just get, your top 1% of deals will be 10 times better if you're seeing 100 deals versus 10 deals. So this is Richard Wilson. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for following our work. Take care.